The Bitcoin price is dropping hard and we are now at an important support level at the $90,000 price area where we could see a quick reversal and fast new all-time highs or real severe downside for a new correction with $80,000 price levels. I'm gonna show you now today which mistake you're not allowed to do in these market conditions, in this panic mode, in these dropping prices, and where I'm gonna buy exactly this dip with my over $40,000 trade, and I'm gonna show you exactly my price targets, where I'm going to buy Bitcoin cheap and where we probably see a bottoming sign, because in the order books we already see where the smart money and the greedy positions will take place. So let's hop into the charts, let's analyze all the situations that we see here. And important guys, don't forget to subscribe under this YouTube channel. You really can't afford to miss these opportunities, because as I show you here, we made like the videos at the very bottom of the bear market, we traded all the way up and now we're in huge profit and we're looking exactly for an opportunity to buy the Bitcoin downside, to buy cheaper than the short-term holders. And here are the price levels for you summed up in this video. So in the charts we see at the moment exact price levels of $90,000 we are testing right now. And as you can see here, my position already got bought 3 times after taking profits at the highest point of 105,000 US dollars. We took every chance and every dip in the lower $90,000 price areas, and now we're seeing the next buying opportunity at 90,600 US dollars. Here was my last limit order. I'm gonna put a screenshot in here where it was not triggered yet, and now it is like with a buying signal directly in this lowest candle that we created today in this morning situation. And I don't want to guarantee that now we see the perfect comeback. It is just a small buy-in for this position that I have just used for taking profits all the way up. I'm gonna also show you where I think are the lower price targets to get even more Bitcoin for a cheaper price, and why I think after a correction to a specific price level we could see like the upwards momentum and all the all-time high feeling again in the market. So altogether I still have of course limit orders open, and if you don't have a trading account, open up a trading account on the Levex exchange. It is pinned in the first comment and also in the video description. I'm trading here without any KYC. You can use USDT and like put long positions in the market at specific price levels. Here I'm gonna show you what the Binance top traders are doing right now, and we're gonna check why they are opening positions at these price levels, because all the green here you see is Binance top trader analytics that open long positions. They also did exactly the same before the pump to the all-time highs. After the sell-off of the Bitcoin spot ETF launch, they went into long position massively and then very patiently waited to the all-time high, and every dip after that it was like green, full of buying opportunities for the Binance long traders and top trading accounts. We see exactly patient waiting for the all-time highs, and now in the corrections they buy, and this is also a reason why I copy this behavior and making small amounts every time we see a green signal flashing here in the top trader accounts. And for furthermore downwards pressure, we see here we liquidated like to the exact bottom almost of the $90,000 almost all long trades that went into the market, and we see on the 6-month time frame there is not much space for more drawdown. We see here that maybe in the 88,000s there will be prices where we can expect Bitcoin to fall down. Why exactly the $88,600 prices in this area? This is the short-term holder average buying price. So the latest investors that started buying Bitcoin, also like a Michael Saylor maybe in the last 3 months, they were buying at an average price of 88,000 US dollars, and sometimes in a correction we fall below exactly under the short-term holder price. It's like panic mode on for everyone who is in a loss for Bitcoin, and then we also see panic selling in a loss in the Bitcoin bull run. So my theory for my investment here is of course that we will see another higher all-time high top in this bull run. If you don't expect the same for Bitcoin, okay, you can go lower and you can hope and wait for Bitcoin. But one of the most severe mistakes that Bitcoin and altcoin and crypto investors in general do is waiting to a too greedy price. I think Bitcoin will never hit $10,000 again. Still, there were people in the bear market waiting for $10,000 price. And then they were trapped in their dollar positions, USDT, euros, wherever you trade, whatever currency you use. People waited for 10,000 US dollar Bitcoin price. It never happened. And then it goes to 20, 30, 40, $50,000. And then you have to buy much higher than you originally planned to buy Bitcoin cheap in a bear market or cheap in a correction. And now with an all-time correction, now a drawdown of 16-17%, we're already in a zone where I can say in a bull run, it's okay to buy in this level. It's okay to trade in the upside. And we can also see our EMA ribbons, they now crash to the downside. The EMA ribbon is a very important support band that we see in sideways consolidations. If we fall below, it offers us beautiful buying experiences and Bitcoin prices below the average price range, and that is really, really good. Also here in the upwards movement of the spot ETF launch, the Bitcoin price went under the EMA ribbons and it gave perfect opportunities. And I'm gonna wait exactly for this, what happens in the exact moment. Now I was waiting for this and now I was buying exactly this price at almost the same price level that we are right now. And you see my next price targets, $85,000 to $80,000. And don't forget to sign up for the Levex exchange to put your limit orders also in cheap price areas. This could help you pretty much. And as you can see, we also didn't miss anything in the market structure so far because we took profits $6,000 and we still $2,500 in open profits on this position. So we went into the trades at the right time. We took profits in the exact right times, and I'm gonna buy into it again because of all of these signs. What is even a very important thing, and many people don't really recognize it, or they don't like put too much attention and importance to this information, is like, check out the Bitcoin supply. It's drying out. We get something that gets more rare every day. That rarity goes up and the price goes down, and that's like a divergence that I like to buy. I like to buy more value, something that is more rare than the day before, to a cheaper price. Perfect. And here's very important, also confirming our support levels that we pulled in the charts, the order book of Binance and the order book of Coinbase. And we see here, of course, like at the $110,000, much profit taking, then a little thin area, and where we are right now in the huge buying zone of the biggest exchanges, Binance and Coinbase. Because here between 92,000, where we already fall below, to 90,000 to even 85,000 US dollars, we see massive buying orders in the order books. These big green blocks could really mean a bottom signal to us, that to $85,000 the market maker want to fill all orders, want to liquidate everyone, and then zack, we see a return. All the smart money buys, top traders buy, and every short-term holder got wiped out, panic sold and got liquidated, and then we see all-time highs. Maybe we see still a run up and then a dump, or we see a continuation in any trend. If downwards or upwards, this is for sure a very big important level for support. And every time in January, you can see we get a pump before slightly, or in the January event in 2017 and 2020, we went up in January, we dumped in January, and until March, we just hit new highs in the cycle. And yeah, now we're in the middle of exactly this January. We started in the year, we went to $102,000. We shorted it at $101,600. This was our first short entry, and now we're gonna taking profits on these shorts. And this is maybe the perfect entry for a long position to start it. Maybe we fall lower and then we can like put in more money, but I'm a fan of dollar cost averaging into these charts, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do right here, right now. And so you got informed. I hope you like these update videos. Whenever it's important, I take the time, I record it for you, and then I upload it. So make sure you leave a thumbs up and really subscribe to my channel. I make videos whenever it is really important and when I have the feeling that you should know something and get an advanced information for the market summed up in a video. So we are gonna see each other again very soon, where I have new analysis, where we have new on-chain data and see the price movement if we expect it in the right way. Until then, I always wish you the maximum profits, and we see each other. Ciao, ciao.